Now we're going to do something fun here. We're going to do a formula that is that changes an image. So first off, we're going to write the formula here in D2. We're going to say if B2 is unlocked, otherwise it's locked. All right. So as you can see here, 2 is not equal to 1. So it's locked. Now if I type in 1, it's unlocked, and if I type in anything else, it stays locked. All right, so that's step 1. Next one, we're going to if you don't already have a sheet, go ahead and create a sheet. I call it my pictures, and I'm going to insert an image into the A1 here. So I'm just going to expand this out so I can see it a little bit better. And I'm going to do another one in B1 as well. So we're going to come over here to insert pictures. I'm going to place it into the cell from this device. And we're going to use some pictures of some locks. So I've got locks, and I have another image that we're going to insert, unlocked. All right, I'm going to select A1, and here we have the cell references A1. We're going to call this locked. And then we're going to go over here to the second one, and we're going to unlocked. So the A1 reference is no longer A1, it is locked, and this one is no longer B1, it is unlocked. Let's go back to our formula, and we're going to select D2. And under the formulas, we're going to go ahead and define a name. And we're going to call this pictures. And over here in the refers to, we're going to add the word, this is in between the equals. In between the equals and the quote, we're going to type an indirect parentheses. And at the end, we're going to type a close parentheses. We're going to click OK. Next, we're going to insert another picture, but this is something completely different. All right, and this is equal to picture. There we go. And let's, it was picture, it's not picture. And we're going to go ahead and expand it out so you can see that it's mirroring the exact same thing that this is. So if I change this to 2, 1, and now we change our unlocked.